Imagine this. You're scrolling through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, and that one AI-generated video pops up, the talking cartoon, the fake celebrity podcast, the wild AI meme, and you cannot scroll away. Why does that content blow up while your carefully crafted posts die at 200 views? And more importantly, how can you use AI to finally break through the noise and go viral yourself? Welcome to Mr. AI Boombastic, where AI meets real-world content growth. Today, the breakdown is simple. What makes viral AI content so addictive, why most creators are still stuck, and how you can turn AI from a gimmick into a growth engine for your brand or channel. Right now, AI is everywhere: images, scripts, captions, ad copy, full videos. The global AI market is exploding, projected to cross over $2.5 trillion by 2032. This means everyone is pumping out AI content. That sounds exciting, until you realize more content doesn't mean more views for you. It means more competition and way more noise. Here are the real pain points most creators feel. Everything looks and sounds the same, views are inconsistent, and you're stuck either wasting hours writing and editing or pressing generate and praying. If any of that sounds familiar, stay with this video, because the issue is not AI itself, it's how you're using it. So what makes viral AI content so popular and shareable? Let's break down the core ingredients. First, relatability that feels personal. Platforms now use AI to predict exactly what each user wants to see. More than 80% of what people discover on major platforms is driven by AI recommendations. When your AI-assisted content speaks directly to a fear, dream, or frustration, the algorithm recognizes the engagement. Second, entertainment first, education second. The AI trends that blow up deepfakes, stylized portraits, funny voiceovers win because they entertain first and educate or sell second. Even brands are using AI to create more interactive, playful experiences instead of boring corporate posts because emotion drives sharing. Third, algorithm-friendly structure. AI doesn't just create content, algorithms judge it. They look at watch time, rewatches, shares, saves, and comments to decide if you deserve reach. Content that hooks fast, builds curiosity, and pays off with a satisfying ending gives the algorithm exactly the signals it wants, so your video gets pushed to strangers, not just your followers. Here's the key insight: viral AI content isn't about perfectly written text or cool effects. It wins because it mixes emotion with personalization. Studies and industry trends show that content which sparks joy, surprise, or curiosity gets far higher engagement and share rates. AI lets you scale that by testing multiple hooks, thumbnails, and angles tailored to specific niches, without multiplying your workload. Think of it like this: AI is your creative amplifier, not your replacement. You bring the insight into your audience's pain points. AI helps you turn that into 10 high-impact variations instead of one safe idea. Now let's turn this back to you and solve the problems that are actually blocking your growth. Pain point 1. My content blends in with everyone else's. Solution: use AI for ideation, not identity. Feed tools like ChatGPT highly specific prompts about your exact audience, their age, job, fears, slang, and platforms. Then inject your personal stories, opinions, and real examples into the script so it feels human, not generic. Let AI handle structure, you handle flavor. Pain point 2. The algorithm never favors me. Solution: design for signals, not just good content. Open your videos with a pattern interrupt hook, then build story tension. Use AI tools to A/B test hooks, titles, and thumbnails, because small changes in wording or framing can dramatically shift click-through and watch time. Pain point 3. Creating consistently is burning me out. Solution: turn AI into your content assembly line. Use it to batch generate 20 hook ideas around one topic. Turn one long-form script into shorts, reels, carousels, and email snippets. Repurpose analytics insights into new iterations instead of starting from scratch every time. When you combine your understanding of your audience with AI's speed and pattern spotting, you stop guessing and start engineering virality. Here's a simple 4-step framework you can steal and apply today. Step 1. Start with a real pain point. Pick one problem your audience actually loses sleep over. Ask AI to generate 10 story-based angles around that pain, not just tips lists. Stories are what people remember and share. Step 2. Use AI to build a hook stack. Generate multiple hook formats: bold statement, surprising statistic, what if, scenario, or mini story. Record or test 3 to 5 of them on shorts. Keep the winners, kill the rest. Let the data tell you which hook the algorithm and audience love. Step 3. Design for emotion in the middle. Use AI to suggest emotional beats, moments of shock, relatability, or aha insight. Match that with visuals, AI images, B-roll, captions that reinforce the feeling, not just the information. Step 4. End with a specific, share-worthy payoff. Close with a simple framework, checklist, or do this next step people can immediately apply. Content that gives people a quick win gets saved, shared, and replayed, exactly what the algorithm rewards. Quick recap. Viral AI content is exploding because it combines personalization, entertainment, and emotion, all supercharged by algorithms that know exactly what keeps people hooked. Creators who win are not the ones pressing generate and praying. They're the ones using AI strategically to understand their audience, test ideas fast, and design content for engagement signals. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment telling what kind of viral AI content you've seen recently that made you stop scrolling and why you think it worked. If you want more step-by-step breakdowns, prompts, and live builds of viral-ready AI content, hit subscribe to Mr. AI Boombastic, turn on notifications, and then watch the next video.